Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. I am Joe Mar.
I am Rush.
This is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. Before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And one more thing first, though.
Share the video to 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people.
Yes. So we're there to talk about some schoolboy football. It's quarterfinals time. It's even the competition a ramp up. Obviously we introduced ourselves or introduced the competition to ourselves. In the round of 6.
Because this is the competition starts.
And that would be nice to everybody.
That's where the competition
obviously,
starts.
me did it, and obviously the people must see me. I go to school and me youth them a yell up and thing. And I say, what go on? Remember, them know say competition really just start.
And even the Manning Cup Awards, schoolboy football
me
will
did
be
it.
awarding. I mean, ISA themselves will be awarding
Based on
it's called runner 16 and up.
yeah.
So them have the list with all of the meat man them must score a whole heap of goal. In the first, we're not going to get the golden boot.
I know lie.
In fact, I have it the list right now.
And you know what?
So you have the leading goal scorers and you have the golden boot list, and it's different.
And you know, I'm not feeling away for the fact that I missed so much of the first round. I missed all of the first round because the truth is, the team that are really going to be there in the next round, even the quarterfinal start, by the way, not because I'm gonna say all of the teams super, but so many of the teams are just good.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, but we'll get to that. In the first round, the man will rotate. Me say JC play like a different starting lineup in every game. More than never use for them star players because them they are JPL and them just come in for the knockout part of the competition. So, bro, catching and racing and for them thing. So it really the competition really just started. And the truth is, the last round was very entertaining. It was very competitive.
Love the format first.
Yeah, you make it a little bit nicer.
Bro, and me I tell you some little changes. Like only you add a round of 16 instead of being a 2-leg home and away knockout. It's 4 groups, 4 teams each group. You know how many matches added to the fixture for each team? Just 1. Because last year they might play 2 matches in this round.
But 2 teams,
no,
2 more teams and 1 more match. So you face another team and you have another. You face another team and you have another game.
Exactly.
Which
that game a better chance.
Of course.
But it's not like say changing the format and add this whole heap of football to the
our 4 more games.
Which got to my the walkout thing when we try to talk about it. You get me? As changes can be made, we can improve the competition. It doesn't necessarily mean to add one whole heap of game. They only play 1 more game. If they play a whole another group stage, they literally want to add 1 more game to them fixtures.
Yeah.
I think this format change is a very good one.
And what that do is allow teams that, bro, you can't just get a bad matchup.
Yep.
I remember a couple years, who was it? Casey and Ozzy. Where Ozzy would have beat other teams and make it through. But Ozzy just faced Dujan Richards, bro.
And the seeding is also weird because the seeding is convoluted. That's the first thing. Where I come from last season. And a team might be really good with football. And then now, if you talk about seeding throughout the knockouts, you have one team where end up in an easy zone. They end up get 24 points and score 60 goals in them first zone. And the next team end up with 24 points in their zone but only have a goal difference of 11 or 12. Still ridiculous. Them still win all of them games, you get me I say? But because of who them play versus who the other team play, these are the best way for me.
Yeah, it actually make it a bit more fun. It make it a bit more interesting. Yeah, not for the time, bro. After the first game, you didn't even really care. Because you know, say Tivoli did win, go through our JC did beat Tivoli last year, and you already just know it done. Mona did through after them first game.
Yep.
Obviously, the KC game is kind of weird 2 years ago. So you get some half games, but most of the time, the team just get overmatched. Because we have 16 versus 1. It's done, brother. It done, exactly. It done for the most part. Just the middle part of the seeding kind of alright. But hey, it is what it is. So now, talk about the round of 16 for a little bit. Had some competitive groups. Had some really good games. We have teams peaking. We say peaking at a bad time and not peaking early enough. We'll talk about stats with a lot of quality and just drop out, bro. Which was something where you couldn't understand for a minute, but you have to win games.
You have the goals.
You have to win games, brother. You can't draw with Womas.
You have the goals, bro. Stats just don't have the goals.
Yeah.
They have the middle of the park secured. They have probably the best back line, or one of, and just don't have the goals.
All they needed was 1 goal. No? They draw with Woolmaz, you know? When everybody else beat Woolmaz. All they needed to do was score 1 goal against Woolmaz. And I gave the draw 2-2.
Think about it is, bro. Stats not have no attacker where you can name.
Yeah.
They not no household forward, and that's been their flaw for the past couple of seasons.
Yeah, if at least the past 2 seasons, them just lock teeth up front.
Yeah.
Them solid. You're not gonna score many goals from them. Them are gonna have the ball when they want the ball. Them defensive midfielders solid. Them two centre backs solid. Them goalkeeper can make a save even though them undersized and whatever. But unless he make a mistake, he's fine. That's good. You see me, it's just that the attacking line now very good wingers. Them have Atkinson, which has started becoming their own now, but you need more than that at this point. You get me? I say so. They never quite work out for a team like Stats. Saint Catherine come for sure for them pedigree, I guess. I mean, I look for the groups, bro. Saint Catherine can win the Manning Cup.
Oh, yeah.
Me, I tell you that straight up. In terms of how it has shape up, Saint
So
Catherine.
if the people watch my post game,
I say you believe the quality.
If the people them watch my post game analysis versus Calabar, I spoke about it. This St. Catherine team have all right to be one of the favorites in the competition. You know, they're full of quality, they're full of size, they're full of experience. They're very well coached. They know exactly what they want to do. They're very balanced, and they have teeth up front, which is very important in this Manning Cup. So I did say it in the analysis, but I mean, Catherine will make a serious claim for this Manning Cup.
Yeah, and as I said, based on the groups I'm so far in a quarterfinal, I'm send it, check the email. I'm gonna put it up on the screen soon, people. But yeah, St. Catherine, show for them pretty good. Them have over there. I guess it's about time for them. JC a bit inconsistent. JC getting 2 draws in the round of 16, which I can't believe JC fans are. That's not what they were expecting. The JC is supposed to bounce back. No, you know what? You can't get 2 draws in a round of 16 if you're JC. You don't finish second in that group. You just don't.
Probably JC have staffing issues. They have personnel issues because they have people all over the world right now that try to make it a professional football.
And they have player issues too.
Yeah.
They have players who are unavailable for whatever reasons. Man, I get injured, whatever. Man, I play out a position. But regardless, I don't care. JC is what they are. Bro, players being injured not supposed to be JC problem because them so stop.
Bro, last year JC fell out at this stage. They made it one stage further than they did last year.
That's true. I know them in a crazy group, but we get, as I said, we get to the groups. We just go over the teams. Who else round of 16 did interesting? Calabar tried to make a push.
Yeah.
Them basically one goal hurt them. Just draw the catching game there, you make it interesting.
Them never dare go draw the catching game. 3-1 catching game.
Yeah.
So they never one goal. Bro, they catching
yeah, true. Why me keep on? You want to put on the side.
Yeah, catching outclass them. Catching Calabar never stood a chance in that game against Catherine. But Calabar are a good team, but this catching team is just a team like overpower teams.
Yeah.
You never get to see the JC game, unfortunately.
But JC going at
imagine that.
JC going at the game. No, actually, me hear the opposite. Me hear the opposite. JC going at the game knowing that all they needed was a draw.
So them just draw it.
They just draw the game. They get me and say, and St. Catherine never try either because St. Catherine just never need to lose the game. So why you go beat up JC now? Go lose the game? No, you're not. So me say it was a boring game. In fact, much I interview Davey and Ferguson where I say, the first half year we were a bit cagey, but we want to win the game. But come on, bro, we know what you mean by cagey. They get me and say, overexert yourself trying to win the game and end up lose and Calabar got you. St. Catherine was more of, we never, I would even do is just not win. Why we are going to come out and be overzealous and put ourselves in a problem? And I understand it. But we didn't really want to go that game there. And we not think we miss much. It was a 1-1 game. It was a 1-1 draw. Both teams. Them just come take them draw.
The other game in Spanish Town though turned out to be
the El Tam Tivoli.
Yeah, 2-2.
Yeah.
And Tivoli advancing on goal difference by 1 goal.
Yep.
Bro, keep in mind, El Tam in the first round, and people, that's why I'm saying the first round, Manning Cup not really are going in the first round. El Tam can see like a goal to Heidel. Now Heidel is through and El Tam aren't. You get me, sir? And El Tam play good football. El Tam.
The EXCELSIOR and Tivoli go through out of that group.
Yeah. By goal difference.
Right.
Because EXCELSIOR just do the
but El Tam top for them group in the first round.
Bro, El Tam
I think Calabar comes second in that group.
A 1 goal El Tam suck and at the Heidel.
Yeah.
Which is remarkable. You get me? Which is super crazy.
Yeah.
You see me? So, and El Tam come out now and they played outstanding well, but EXCELSIOR is a team that we need to be talking about. We need to get to see EXCELSIOR.
We are getting an the game Tuesday.
EXCELSIOR may well be. Yeah, so
remember game Tuesday at JC versus Heidel.
Tuesday you can go. EXCELSIOR, wait then.
JC at JC. Idle and Jake.
Yeah, alright. Me
Yeah.
I got the game of Calabar.
That's gonna be a very good game.
Yeah, so
Let me so.
yeah, people, so I got them two games.
Alright.
Excelsior is a team where we not talk about yet.
Yeah.
Where we need to talk about. Excelsior have the best round of 16.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at the numbers from the stats, Excelsior were the most definitive team. Now the round of 16 and they never have an easy zone either. Because they have a zone with Eltham and Tivoli. You obviously them have Grant. Everybody just dump up Grant. You get me? I say, but Excelsior really outstanding, getting 9 points and then goal difference at double digits. Ridiculous. With the Eltham team and a Tivoli team and the Eltham team who seemed as though them couldn't concede. You get me? I say, Eltham game versus Tivoli game. Bro, think about it. Eltham versus Excelsior done 3-2, bro. Mm-hmm. So that's how hard Eltham push Excelsior. Mm-hmm. And Excelsior dispatch everybody else. Yeah. And yet still Eltham just don't go through. So Eltham hard done by.
I don't want to see them. It's safe to say Eltham solid in terms of
hard done by. Yeah. And no, I think them and stats have to be the early favourites to be World Cup champions until we see who drop out in the quarterfinal.
Which I don't really like that for some changes, as I say, some changes cannot affect the quality of the competition. But I don't really love teams going down now after the quarterfinal.
That's what they've been doing for
the past 4 years. I don't love it.
Bro, I don't love this Walker Cup none at all. I don't love this Walker Cup none at all. The Walker Cup need to restructure. They need to play every team in the Walker Cup and play a knockout from 60 teams, go all the way to the finals. That's what I'm saying. If they really conceptualize, it's not going to add that much football to the fixtures, make Walker Cup be like
Send me that. I agree with them. I actually agree with them. I think it's just weird. I think they might do too much with the Walker Cup. Yeah. I think the Walker Cup just losing prestige now. Nobody cares to win it. Or nobody cares who wins it.
Bro, I don't know if you did see the post-game interview with Philip Williams. I'm say, so coach, you've been eliminated from the Manning Cup, but you still have silverware to play for. And he's like, by silverware, I'm assuming that you're making reference to the Walker Cup.
Yeah.
Well, we just go best foot.
Come on, bro. Come on. Nobody.
Bro, people have to hype. It happened, bro. It has to. I know someone never watch a video because I got like 200 views. We can't just start the Walker Cup at the beginning and just have a Walker Cup day every other week. Mm-hmm. So like on Wednesdays, a Walker Cup day.
Just have a knockout cup competition.
Just have a knockout cup competition. So Manning Cup generally play like 2 or 3 matches a week. Mm-hmm. So you just have 2 matches and just play Walker Cup one day out of the week. Mm-hmm. Or make Walker Cup play on Saturdays, or make Walker Cup play on Mondays or whatever. And every day a Walker Cup at the 64 team in a Manning Cup. After that, it's going to be 32, bro. Yeah. And then after that, it's going to go down to 16. You get me? I say, no, with the rich power there right now. So only 2 extra games that you add to the fixtures. Yeah. You just make a team play. And if you want to,
and it depends. Some teams just have one because you have a drop out of the first game.
And if you want to do the seeding, you can do the seeding from last season, from first place who win the Manning Cup to all the way back to the very worst ranked team last season and match them against each other. Yeah. Perfectly fine with that. You get me? I say? So that way, you can weed out the crap. Because the top team, then you have say Mona High and get seeded versus St. Mary's College or whatever they want him. Mona play them Colts team, does out the St. Mary's College team. Do you get me? I say that's how cup football is supposed to be. It's still not such a perfect idea. Just play one match. No, Mona knows them on to the round of 32. They're not worry about that again until October. Mm-hmm. You get me? I say you play one World Cup match during the first leg of fixtures in the first round. They play a next World Cup match during the second leg of fixtures.
By the time you get to round of 16 at the Manning Cup, you're at the round of 16.
At the World Cup, just like over there right now in the World Cup. You get me? I say the same difference. And then you have the good teams can compete for the World Cup. The good teams can compete for the Champions Cup. Before them change the World Cup format, bro, teams could win 4 trophies. No teams only can win 3 trophies. I don't mind a team being able to win 4 trophies. Mm-hmm. But the World Cup used to mean something.
Yeah, it's just a consolation.
Me I say, Meadowbrook, because me go school, Meadowbrook win World Cup.
When it means something.
Historically, who cares if Meadowbrook win World Cup? You know who would beat on the World Cup?
We know now.
A whole heap of bad team will beat on the World Cup. Now people don't care about the World Cup. The World Cup needs to change. And as I said, the way how them do it now, it just make it worse.
Just to make it worse, brother. After you lose, right to say you drop down there. Yeah. All right. You not quite drop down there yet. After you lose a person now, then you drop down there too.
That's the definition of a loser.
Come on, bro.
It's literally a loser's cup.
The truth is, nobody cares about the World Cup. Nobody cares about the World Cup. Till people forget, them even get dropped down to the World Cup. Everybody don't want to play the World Cup.
It's easy. And if you have an uneven amount of teams, the top 4 seeded teams then get by to the second round, whatever, just how it going in the FA Cup. it's pretty easy until you can even it up and make it reach back to 16.
Yeah.
And then you only add 2 more games to the team them fixtures, and you only play 2 match days during the first round.
Yeah.
At the very most 3. But Manning Cup me pass 60 team. No time. You get me? I say 60 team at the most you're going to Manning Cup. So I don't understand why we still do it. And the same thing for Ben Francisco.
Yeah, because a similar format. The same format.
Make it be a loser's cup. Yeah. That make no sense.
Yeah. I don't like it. I don't know who inspired that change. But let's talk about the quarterfinal groups. People, it's on the screen, so take a look. It starts this week. So let's get right to that.
That top man.
Yeah, we can't read up on that.
So,
small screen.
Mona, KC, Tifale, JC.
Yep. And then Group B, we have Excelsior, St. Catherine, Campion, and Heidel. We could start one group.
So we know the group at that.
Of course, we know the group at that, and especially by names. Quality. Me nah say the group at that one quality. By name, bro, Excelsior good catching.
Mona get hard done by dog.
Mona? No, JC just not do what them for do. JC just not do what them for do. JC if you over there, so.
Listen, name.
By name, bro.
Excelsior have the best round of 16. Catching might be the best team in the competition. Campbell have a sneaky bogey team, and Heidel have a chip on them damn shoulder.
Heidel make it to the finals last year.
Heidel have a chip. And Heidel, let's not forget, probably have the best player in the Manning Cup.
All right.
It's like we have to forget Ronaldo.
Yeah, bro,
so Heidel probably have the best player in the Manning Cup.
And names, it sound good. So KC, JC, Mona in one group. So you know you get some hot match.
KC
every match they hot.
JC has been playing very well, and Tivoli Gardens, a very good team, but Tivoli Gardens, they never have the greatest preliminary rounds neither.
So hopefully Tivoli can peak at the right time.
It seems
but
Tivoli have been peaking.
We think this
they have a great first round, but they were on the 16.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Yeah. It's a rough for Tivoli.
Dispatch Grant, then get the draw with them versus Eltham, and then never lose that body to Tivoli.
To Excelsior.
To Excelsior, sorry.
Yeah, it's a rough for Tivoli though. Even though they're a decent team, even though they've been doing well, it's a rough to see them get past 2 of these 3 teams. Because the truth is, get 2 wins and you're playing.
That's all.
Just win your first game, and then you have 2 games to get 1 win. Which is where, I guess, the JC and Calabar thing just make Calabar drop out and first. Just get your first win. And then you worry about anything else after that. And some think Tivoli are going to struggle to do that. Mona High, as I say, I'm so impressed with Mona High. And the thing is, I think we're going to see a similar thing that happened, like what happened last year with Mona. Just as overpower most teams with them quality. Even when Mona now played them best football, they're still better than you. Which is such a weird thing. And watch Mona a couple times already, and my criticism has been they're good, but they can play better. Oh, Mona win the game 3-1. Or Mona win the game 2-1. Or them beat up, but they can play better. Just because I expect so much from the man when they're on the park. I mean, say every man on this park can start in a George's team. You feel do better. You know what I'm saying? It's that. Mona now have to play well for that. Yeah.
You been to see that field. Yeah. Only time Mona play as good as them can do was the very, very, very first season when them come out.
Exactly. Them can play so as good as them be, as good as Mona be. People and Mona, they've been doing well and whatever. Mona unbeaten so far, by the way. I think also Mona win every game them play. I think them draw 1 game. I'm not sure. I'm going to double check. I think Mona can do so much better. I'm just struggle to see any team I beat Mona. Bro, Mona play with 3 at the back, as they've been doing for probably the last 3 years. It's Robina God. I ask him in the feature, people look out for Mona team feature. I say, have you just accepted now that you're a defender because you nah go back up and say, I'm glad you know that. And say, be the wing back or centre back. And bro, they've been playing with 1 centre back. Robina God at the centre back. And then they have Dante Peralta, and I think they have Cunningham or something like that on the right. That's how they play. And Robina God just unlock everything. Yeah, you have to get space in front of them, but I think them just trust that baller. Finn not make a mistake. He don't make mistake. No, he's not going to make a mistake.
Show him class.
You get me? I say, and yeah,
he's showed his class for the last couple of seasons.
Yeah,
remember that game against Stats?
Stats at Arnett Garden.
Yeah, man, ended outstanding in that game there. Bro, that time the Stats did really, really good. Man.
So that with JC, as I said earlier, JC very
inconsistent. Come back for the quarterfinal.
Make us see. Me not get to know. Me honestly don't know what the issue.
Now here, so Dylan John the Panchas. That's the word around town.
Yeah. Actually, when they ask, well, I'm going for Dylan if he might come back, and I think the coach told me that he might come back. So I guess it's not a disciplinary thing. It's
No,
not
no,
a
him, me I tell him no.
yeah.
Same day in a Europe on trials.
Yeah.
I don't know the details of it, but I know me here. Same day in Europe on trials.
All right.
I know that definitive, but I also hear say I might come back for the quarterfinals.
Well,
So who knows? Dylan John might be on a jet from Heathrow right now.
yeah, Dylan John coming back to this JC team will definitely give them a push.
Yeah.
Definitely give them a little edge, especially
them all need him for win the competition.
Yeah.
Them all need him to probably come out of this zone.
Yeah. Because when it comes to JC and KC, I think anyone can beat anyone on any given day.
Yeah.
Honestly, I say the two teams, and trust me, anyone can beat anyone. You see me? Mona are the best team in the zone. As I said, Tivoli, I think Tivoli will just get beat up, and get me wrong. What is I just can't see them win as many games as they take to come out of the group. You see me? So my favorite thing of this group, I guess we can make predictions now to the semi-finals. Whoever win the Man Cup is a different video, so I'm not going to go so far. But whoever make it out of this group, I'm going to have Mona come out of the group. I'm going to go with Casey come out of the group. Yeah. Go on, your time.
If Dylan John and Twain Lynch come back, Mona and JC come out of the group. And from what I've heard, it seems as though both those players will be coming back.
So you got Mona, JC?
Yeah. Mona will top the zone.
So Mona top in this zone. We have Mona top in the zone, and JC coming out as a second team for Joe Mara, and KC coming out as my second team. That. Zone B now, obviously we're going to talk about it before we make predictions. Excelsior, St. Catherine, Campion, Heidel. So we've watched 3 of the 4 teams in this already. So you've seen St. Catherine, I've seen Campion, I've seen Heidel. We just not see Excelsior. We can start from Excelsior though. Think watch a YouTube game with them. I'm going to see some highlights.
I was watching a YouTube game with Excelsior.
Excelsior, they're a good team, they're a good unit. And what I'm impressed with is their coaching. Excelsior is not necessarily concerned with having the best player in the Money Cup or whatever. They're just concerned with being of course. But I don't think their playing style is to give the ball to him as fast as possible and allow him to do so. They're just a solid unit. And shout out to the coach down there, Kian Bradrick. You remember that year they were Vaxal and the coach that was there when the camp did get that's the coach now will take over Excelsior from Xavier Gilbert last year. And last year they made a push, the team was just not good enough. Remember we're gonna go watch them versus Idel. Could have seen them have quality, but the team was just not the team that could have made it, as far as they wanted to. This year I've been hearing good things. I'm gonna say from what I saw from Excelsior in the one game and look at highlights, I'm gonna say they're a good team. They are a good team, and I think this is a group that favors them, honestly.
And not only are they a good team, but we know that Manning Cup is about teeth and star power. And they have individual goals from one of the best goal scorers in the competition. You get me? I said that's very important. So me think because of that, Excelsior put themselves in a position where they can go on and compete, not only for this zone, but who knows, for the finals. Maybe winning the Manning Cup. Yeah,
Excelsior definitely have a shot, and they're definitely one of the favorites to come out of this group, if not the favorite to come out of the group. They haven't been struggling. They're not struggling to get results.
Nope.
May I look back on the stats and see if them and
score goals either.
Exactly. They now concede only for goals. Excelsior are just a solid team, and hopefully them can make it all the way. This year, and this is why because we also the same thing for a lot of the teams, and we also the same thing for St. Catherine again. They have a star player, them have a solid team.
But
you get me? I said it's not necessarily get the ball tasted. Everybody Casey used to play with this spot. It's not that. No. It's not that with Excelsior. And from what I hear, it's not that with Catherine. No. So although them have a star player, they're also a good team. And that is why I think these two groups will be so competitive. Because all of the teams them have good players, yes, but all the teams are just solid teams across the board. Good defenses and team winners and match winners. Goal scorers. That's what I like about the Manning Cup right now. Obviously, we love the standout. I'm going to take the Manning Cup of a superstar this year. Maybe that is our next video topic. I don't know if the Manning Cup of a superstar.
Bro, we keep on forget about Ronaldo Bart.
Bro,
the
superstar talent, superstar quality.
So if you did the superstar from last year, when do no longer a superstar no more because
he was not a superstar last year, bro.
Of course, Ronaldo Bart was a superstar last year. Denzel McIntyre and Ronaldo Bart were superstars.
No, bro. You see,
I just Ronaldo Bart did have a much better team running. Ronaldo Bart now can score 22 goals. Like
superstar are not for do that. Well, it have a lot to do with the quality that you have, but superstar also have a lot to do with the media push you get. It have a lot to do with the attention that you garner. And these players just don't necessarily have the pull there, bro. That me I talk about. So the
I
competition
think,
now have Alex Marshall, bro. It now have a Gregory Messam. It now have a Tariq McGee. It now have a Dijon Richards.
I think this
It now have a
competition
Rafiki Bryan.
suffers from
It now have it.
the competition suffer from what we did.
Lack of promotion.
No, from what we did see with Whisper.
What?
Because we not see it since Whisper.
A 2 seasons back with that, brother.
Exactly. So that's what's beating the competition. Not saying I have it. I just said because we are trying to compare the
we're
top
not
man of the
compare. I'm not
competition to
compare,
Whisper.
dog. I'm not compare. Some seasons just like I have one, and some seasons just like I have very good. Don't get me wrong.
Because bro, if we there do, if the competition was doing as good a job as it's supposed to do,
bro, some people like have that it thing there, dog.
Kimali Scott supposed to get talked about till him fool.
We say them do just as much as Whisper did do. After the first round, he was 20
do just
goals.
as much as nobody now do just as
Me
much.
I say in terms of goal count.
Yeah, in terms of the man just score stupid goals. You get me? I say, and him team a win and him a be really successful. You get me? I say, and then we have like all you say a soccer and such. Never, bro. Whisper that. Whisper cards, bro.
And
we
need
to do a wipe Whisper out our memory and take the season.
Are you bring up Whisper? I'm bring up Whisper while ago.
I disagree with your statement because last season all we could have talked about for the whole season was Denzel McKenzie and Ronaldo Barrett. And both players are still in the competition.
No, bro, don't get me wrong. Talented players, as I said, best in the competition, superstar talent players.
Giovanni Taylor.
Bro, superstars are made, bro. Superstars are made, brother. You get superstar moments from superstar players, bro. You have to run through the field, bro. You have to something happen to make you a superstar. I'm just not think this competition have one yet. Now maybe it happens soon.
If I talk about run through the field,
you have to do something. That's the point.
You named KD Young from St. Catherine High School. I talk about run through field.
Bro, you still are talking about quality, brother.
Yeah.
With no superstar and get making at this year's Manning Cup, bro. That's why the competition so flat. May I tell you? And it happened a couple years ago to it happened even all these are good players, and don't get me wrong. I mean, we just say it probably happened it happened last season, where we never, but that was maybe a little bit like Whisper effect, where the competition was never going to get back to that level, not immediately after. In fact, it probably had to take a little while. But even the season before Whisper, when it was Christopher Pearson and the one boy name was JC from KT, and it was just them two man they were the closest thing to superstars in that season. Bro, it's just, the quality, don't get me wrong. Good, really good. Man, we're not a superstar, dog. The competition need a superstar, bro. We need a Junior Flemings, bro. That is that nothing to do with nobody.
Superstar them a marketing and promotion, dog.
And maybe that is the competition's fault. But I'm just saying, for whatever the case is, we not a superstar. For whatever the case is. When they put up the money don't want to see a baller. The money don't want to see that. I don't know. But it must be studied, people. What creates a schoolboy football superstar? What make it? Because as much as we can push somebody out.
First of all, let me tell you the formula. What creates us? This should not be alive. Let me tell you the formula. No, my voice just crack while like people. Just ignore that. First, I have to go a good school. A school with name.
Right.
Most likely, the school I've done with college. That's the first thing in the family. You get what I'm saying? And that just is what it is. It has to done with that college.
So everybody, so the one of the
so
old boy,
a star and come from. So it's Cornwall, Clarendon, Monroe, JC, Georges. It has to done with that college. That's the first thing. So if the best baller don't go to college, already him outside.
You're not trouble.
You get what I'm saying? Second thing, no, obviously, him have to do it at the schoolboy level, at the Manning Cup level, for more than 1 or 2 seasons. Except Whisper, that's a different case. You get me? I say, but Whisper do it internationally. So Whisper do it at Brookhouse College or whatever from a seat, the next college that I get to. But that's just in England, that college today. You get me? I say? So that's the second factor. And the third factor is you have to come in at the season now and just I get ridiculous stats. You get me? I say? And I be ridiculously flary and attractive.
Yeah.
You have to have them 3-piece that for be a superstar. So besides Whisper, bro, all of the name them where you call while like a dog. You have to first season them here, boy. Second season them as a bomb by now. Senior season now you already have the traction to follow you. And you go to college. And this season you come out and you just have done the top bro, so you're gonna be a superstar.
I mean, I want to never be a bad winger.
And you probably have to be a winger too.
You probably never be a winger.
You probably have to be a winger too.
I think about it. You have to wassy. You have to be a wassy winger.
You can be a forward.
Or a forward.
But yeah, bro, said after me, we follow and not follow the formula fully, and him have 2 out of the 3. Him go to college, and him come out and him just had the ridiculous thing in the season before. But all of them, bro, like for example, if Kimari Scott did go JC. All right, I'm gonna say.
You think you'll be a superstar?
Well, Giovanni Taylor supposed to be it. So next season, Giovanni Taylor gonna be the superstar, bro.
Make you see that.
Next season, Giovanni Taylor gonna be that guy, dog. Especially if Giovanni Taylor come on and win Manning Cup for JC now. You think so? We're not going next season with Giovanni, but Giovanni Taylor not come out like we expect him to come out. But Giovanni Taylor, let's say him playing that round, and scored 3 goals in the semi-final now. But the finals, win. You get me? I say score this one bag of goal in the Champions League, so on and so forth.
Yeah, for the
when next season Giovanni Taylor come back, Giovanni Taylor gonna be the guy. Think about it.
Along with everything what you say, yes.
Yeah.
I think you have to do whatever you do in style.
Yeah, I'm saying you have to be super attractive and flair. That's the third thing.
Yeah, it have to be that. So you can't just score 19 goals. And you can't just be, your team, you just have a good team and you have the forward now, good team. No. Bro, you have to have broke, bro. You have to, you have to flair with it. And I mean, just not think for the last 2 seasons. Last year it was Brian Burkett and Ronaldo Barrett and Denzel McKenzie and Robina Gardner. All good players. All top level players. So my best in the country. But no superstar was made.
Denzel KC, dog. Denzel superstar, bro.
So Denzel, bro, right now going to KC might be equivalent to playing for Craig Butler, bro.
I tell you.
We not see as much lives from Craig Butler talk about Denzel.
If Whisper did come on, dog, he wouldn't be the superstar.
I don't care what
he wouldn't be the superstar as if him did that get back by the purple machine, bro. He would still be the best player in the schoolboy football history. He wouldn't be that big of a superstar.
You don't think so? The Craig machine has something now. I don't know if Craig now do as many lives, dog. I talk about Denzel like I'm talk about Whisper, brother.
People, that are the formula people. You know that to be a superstar. So, mommies and daddies.
So then you go to college.
Yeah. Have to be at college. Clarendon, JC, Georges, KC.
Not Campion College.
Bro, Campion will be a superstar today. I tell everyone, Campion
come.
But if Kai Myers will continue to play Manning Cup, because this season Kai Myers will be a superstar.
Yeah.
Everybody don't follow back at Kai Myers. Now ask Christ. I'm going to college, bro. Believe when I tell you the name after doing the college people. That's the formula of a superstar.
It rough. But yeah, I take the competition and stuff right now from a
superstar. Goals, you know, man. From tomorrow, it's cutting in the first round.
Bro, I'm not necessarily concerned with first round goals, you know.
You have 2 in the second round too.
Like, good. So let's talk about the 2. Honestly, I see the document and I say, alright, this bag of Oliver goal, fine. Make us see what we do now. Make us see. Against good teams, make us see what. And good.
That means 22 have merit.
Yeah, man, a baller, man.
Yeah.
A baller. He did it last year too. A baller. Good youth. We could go and watch. As I say, Excelsior and Catching are 2 teams that have come out to the group. Yeah. But once a champion, trust me. You really want a champion. Really want a champion. More champion.
Bro, tell me about the Jazz Les.
Yeah, man, a baller, man. I like a skill pillar. The dog play slow, you. The dog play slow. And he must make the right decision. As I say, he plays similar to Sean, but you didn't even see Sean didn't play the season either to dog. But honestly, Sean better for real. Sean better for real. Really kind of iffy, but Sean better for real. Jazz now. Jazz first touch good. Jazz are gonna make the right decision. He don't have no pace for him. Zero pace.
Really?
But he don't gonna turn and get off his shot. He don't confident. He don't have a little edge on him in terms of he might go trash talk. I see Carlton try to pick on him in the Mona game. And the man make him know say, yo, I'm gonna take bother for that. You get me? I say them have a little chip for them shoulder for Campion too. But Jazz there's a good baller. Good baller. The Campion team, all is a good team. They have a defender. But we like. We have a big
play under 15 national.
In good. And then them have Mohamed, the youth who been in interview for like 3 years now. Who's just a solid centre back at the Manning Cup level. We play number 5 of them. But just a good baller, man. Just deserve him numbers, man. Straight up. Just score 2 goals against KC, score 1 against Mona. Like, you deserve it the way they know, brother.
But in a zone like that, bro, Campion are hiding and don't stand a chance.
Rough, brother. It's a rough. But who knows? Bro, couple draw and the group in a trouble.
You don't stand a chance.
Couple draw and the group in a trouble. Me, I tell you that straight.
Alright.
Champion eke out a draw against one of them and see.
How the zone go farm?
Me tell you, Excelsior and catching me every day. Come on.
In that order there?
Oh, you know what order? I just say, when I see, may I be a bit on the fence with them, because when I see the two of them play in person, you would have probably have to give me a little bit more clarity. But you don't see much teams better than catching.
No.
In order to be better than catching,
catching is a well put together schoolboy football. In all of my experience with schoolboy football, it's a well put together schoolboy football team. Wide players, attacking players,
good coaching,
good defenders, and a solid goalkeeper. Very, very experienced goalkeeper. Third-year Manning Cup giver. Remember, so what a save by Marion Brown. You get that from them time that you know. He still a play. Bro, I'm not see catching a lose. To no team at all.
Yeah. That's rough. Idle.
Good run.
It's a rough one.
Idle team just too good. Idle are the definition of golden generation. Golden generation. But the fact is, Mr. Anderson still have them here again, even though they lose.
They lose their best forward and they lose their best defender. They lose their best attacker and they lose their best defender. And they lose their best goalkeeper.
For what that's worth.
Yeah, for whatever it's worth. You lose their best goalkeeper.
They lose a lot of players last season and them come back and them still manage to. Man did set. KC in a 6 goal better than them. Look where he's right now.
Yeah. And even at the game, they said in the analysis, Idle never deserve to lose the game by now 6. It's just that, brother, how clinical the KC team was on the day. The man is missing another half.
Bro, you know, them are daily. He didn't start.
No, he just come back. The game where you go see him in first game. You go watch it? Yes, that was the first game back from suspension. Left on a red card.
Yeah, but in the start, generally, has he been starting all season, all of games man come off for the bench.
Really?
And the man just a score.
Yeah, clinical.
Even in another game, the versus stats, the man just, bro, him have a way of getting himself in the goal scoring positions. He on number 9. And that's an evolution. Because I never always see him as a number 9 type. You know, as I say, Angel Gamer evolve. He's a skillful player who can make things happen, bro. Now the man just look like a number 9, bro. Stand up on the back of the last man, dog, and just time him runs perfectly, get in a good position. And next good one, gentle to play for catching. And next number 9, bro. We just dead there where you need to get a foot onto the ball or head onto the ball, bro. You get me? And teams that possess that type of player are dangerous teams.
You know, I realize you're separating at the Manning Cup. A lot of times, your first touch.
Oh, yeah.
You see, your first touch in the Manning Cup can take you up another level. I realize it. With the players who take 2 touch for the way most players, or 2 or 3 touch for the way most players can do one, you know? Which is the advantage of players like Denzel and Barrett have. They can do it in a 1 touch, bro. You get me? So them can make the pass with 1 touch and can do control pass. That first touch can separate will separate you in the Manning Cup. But if coaches emphasize that a little bit more, then probably have better teams. So people, that's how we will
have the catching first, the next EXCELSIOR.
Yeah. I don't know how to shape up people. I don't want to get a dedicated prediction, but hey, I think EXCELSIOR and St. Catherine will progress from this group. In terms of the Champions Cup, the 4 teams that progress out of this group will make it to the Champions Cup, quarterfinals of the Champions Cup. And then 4 teams from the Costa Cup semi-finals will, whatever, and then they're going to do a draw. I don't know, guys. The same thing like last year. They're going to have a big draw in a rock hotel or wherever it's going to be. And yeah, we're going to see the 4 teams playing at the Champions Cup. But in terms of this Manning Cup, it will be very competitive. In terms of the the semi-finals, it's going to be very competitive. I think Moon have a very good chance of defending their title. I think St. Catherine have a very good chance of
getting far,
right?
Making a push.
Campion make history. This is the first time Campion make it to the quarterfinals in 35 years. 35 years. You know what I'm like,
when Campion managed should just flip something.
Bro, I would love it. I actually love it. I love it, bro.
Up on a bad day and draw with catching and
yeah. And you know what? You know why too? Why I like the Campion and Mona program so much? Because I think they're doing it the right way. In terms of a little bit more emphasis of a put on getting players to the next level. Even though Campion emphasize education, and if people go watch the feature, you have a couple ballers and say, yeah, man, go overseas, go play, and then go pro, maybe the MLS system, whatever. Then they want to get them education, yes, but they are part of Kingston Football Academy. Likewise, Mona players are part of Phoenix. They money take football serious. They train year round. Campion. Likewise, Mona in the camp. Mona just train every day for the whole year. You get me? So they don't need for camp. And that's why I like them two programs so much. I think they're doing it the right way. And we have a little spot for champion because the thing, as I say in the future, I want the message gets sent that both things can be done, especially at this level. Not everybody's going to become a pro. And if you have a chance to become a pro, I understand prioritizing your football over your academics, whatever that means to some people. I understand it. But for some players, bro, a lot of the players, especially at this round of the Manning Cup, D1 baller, bro. D1 footballers in America. Easily. But too often that is getting overlooked. To try go pro, fail, like end up in a JPL. So that's why I'm kind of want campaign in another way for send a message. But it's fine, people. What we think really count, don't it? Anyways, are we that? We're gonna do a whole different video about what we win the Manning Cup sometime during this round. Look out for the features, people. They will be coming. Mona coming soon, JC coming soon, Catherine coming soon, KC coming soon.
Yeah.
We are trying to get all the teams in the
And
quarterfinal.
Tivoli.
Yeah. We are trying to get all the teams now. Ideal, why not?
Yeah.
They get me and say all of these teams will have a connection to Excelsior and hard to get. Is it me so?
You think so?
They're not hard to get. Me definitely can try to get you.
Years.
No, me I try to get you. No, because that was Xavier Gilbert.
Yeah.
But I think we can get you to Cambridge. So, that, people. If you like the video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to this or that Sports TV. And one more thing first.
Catching have a pure. Like, that's how you know, so the man them serious about them football. You go and you try link catching, forget that feature, them say you talk to a public relations officer, liaison with them, organize with them. He will tell when the guys are training at school as compared to when they are training racing. That's the next club as affiliated team as well.
Love it, bro.
We say, when we are training the school, we bring it down. The player who can pick players and can vet the players, media training, so on and so forth. And I say, bro, well-run organizations, love to see it. You love to see when they try. Do things the right way. Start treating them youth professionally. Yeah, I like that. Again, as you say, I like it. So good on them. People, as I say, look out for the features. They will be coming. We are going, as I say, we are going to give you analysis. Look out for the post-game analysis. Mr. Son like them, since not interact with them. So good on that. We'll be going to games. So look out for the interviews and the post-game analysis. Look out for features. And look out for videos like these where we just sit down and have interesting conversation about the Manning Cup itself. One video more we have, me just have to put out there so I don't forget. More we do best coaches in the Manning Cup. Can feel like, especially at this stage, littered with good coaches. And then we can do our best player in the Manning Cup. And especially after going to the games now, we get a bit more information from the players. And then coming on and talk about them just have our people say. Yeah. More see them on them. You see me? So that. Anyways, people, like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to this or that Sports TV. And the one more thing for us though. Share the video to 10 people, but get us 6 subscribers because each and every one of you guys can manage to do that. You know how much subscriber or how many subscribers? If you watch my video, you know who me appointed. You know how many subscribers? I don't even know who we appointed. That will get us by the end of the day. Yeah, man, people. Well, gone. I gone.